Cement manufacturing involves several stages, starting with the extraction of raw materials needed for its production. The primary raw materials used in cement manufacturing are limestone, clay, and shale. These materials are quarried and transported to the cement plant. Once at the plant, the raw materials are crushed and homogenized into a fine powder. The next step is the preheating and pre-calcination stage, where the powder is heated to a high temperature to remove any excess moisture and initiate the chemical reactions necessary for cement production. After preheating, the raw materials are fed into a kiln, which is a large rotating furnace. Inside the kiln, the materials undergo a series of chemical reactions, known as calcination, where the limestone is converted into lime. This process also releases carbon dioxide. The clinker, which is the result of the chemical reactions in the kiln, is then cooled and ground into a fine powder. Other components, such as gypsum, are added during this grinding process to control the setting time and other properties of the cement. The final step is the packaging and distribution of the cement. The powder is packed into bags or transported in bulk to be used in construction projects. It is important to note that cement manufacturing can have environmental impacts, such as carbon dioxide emissions from the calcination process. Efforts are being made to reduce these emissions through more sustainable practices and use of alternative fuels and raw materials.